All right, welcome back, everybody. This is C from Unhyped Sneaker Reviews. Mail just came in Monday, and this came from Royal Mail. So this came from overseas. I know exactly what this is. It's one of many Reebok Club C's that are available overseas, not in the U.S. Right now, or last I checked, the U.S. only has about a third of the amount of Club C men's releases as the, across the pond in the UK Reebok. You can see this did not come well. The box was smashed in, as we saw, and this box definitely feels those effects. Let's have a look at the tag. It's Club C 85x-U, size 11 US. Alright, so this is called the U project. Let's see, we have a card here. Talks about customizing, tearing away, starting fresh. Grab a marker, pen, or paint and get ready to be a part of the best collab yet. Reebok x U. Customize the first layer any way you want and rock it until you're ready for something new. When you're ready for a fresh start, pull along the perforated lines to reveal the final layer and make it your own. And then step 3, once you've made it, the 2 layers your own, display them for everyone to see. Then step out in the classic Club C in its original form. So as you can see, this is pretty cool. It's a neat, creative idea that they have going here. But again, it's not available in the U.S., only overseas. So I only have read that's about it, the information that I read, about a paragraph on one of the Reebok International sites. You can see it has this, and this is my first time seeing it myself, but it has this layer, has little pull tabs on it. So I guess here you can paint this, or use a paint marker, paint pen type of a deal, and then this layer will peel off. Tear it off. The way I understand it, the way I just read it, it does that twice. Decorate it, customize it once, peel it off twice, peel it off a third time, and that was the first time I said, then I guess you find the Club C in its original form. So if I'm to do anything layer-wise or working on that, I'll make sure to do that through this YouTube channel and document it on Instagram at Club C Collector. Nothing going on the insole. We have terry cloth, normal, regular tag. So everything's pretty general release besides, again, this material that is to be decorated and then customized or collaborated by you or me. It looks like maybe leather, but the way I read it, it sounded like mostly textiles, so I'm not sure what we're left with there or underneath. But like I said, whatever we find out will be brought to you on here. I'm just going to briefly glance at the other sneaker. As you can see, it doesn't look like anything's different. We have the tags on here. Nothing telling us much. So haven't tried these on, haven't done anything. I'll come back to you with an update on them. Just wanted to bring you in real time what we were looking at and some of the cool stuff that, like the contrast stitch that I'm begging people to help me get out of the UK. The orange and gray contrast stitch, not available to me, and it stinks. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this. Be back with more. Please like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. Have a good one. Peace. C is